Dear students, in part 1 of chapter The Revolt of 1857, we have read about the political causes, social causes, military causes, economic causes of revolt of 1857. So dear students, today we will learn about the beginning of the uprising. Students, uprising means withdraw, okay? Then the spread of rebellion, then suppression of the uprising, कैसे विद्रोह को दबा दिया गया, and last changes after 1857 which were made by Britishers. Students, I have told you in previous video that why was this revolt started. There was a rumor that the Enfield rifles used by the sepoys were greased with pig and cow's fat. This upset the sentiments of both the Hindus and the Muslims. The first soldier to protest against the new cartridges was Mangal Pandey. He was a sepoy in 5th Company of the 34th Native Infantry Regiment at Barakpur. On 29th March 1857, he fired at his British commander and asked the other sepoys to join him to end the rule of the company. He was, however, soon arrested and hanged on 8th April. Okay, students. Now, the hanging of Mangal Pandey caused great unrest in army camps across India. बहुत लोग इससे नाराज हो गए. On 24th April, 85 sepoys of the 3rd Bengal Light Cavalry stationed at Meerut refused to use the cartridges. Okay, so on 9th May, they were court-martialed and sentenced to imprisonment. और इस चीज़ से क्या हुआ कि बाकी जो इंडियन सोल्जर्स थे वो भी मेरठ में उन्होंने भी विद्रोह स्टार्ट कर दिया. दे रेज द स्लोगन्स ऑफ हर हर महादेव एंड किल द फिरंगीज. ओके, सो ऑन 10th May द सोल्जर्स मार्च टू द मेरठ जेल एंड रिलीज द इम्प्रिजन सिपाहीज. जो बंदी सिपाही थे उनको उन्होंने छुड़ा लिया. दे अटैक्ड एंड किल्ड ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स एंड डिक्लेयर्ड वॉर against Firangis. After that, they reached Delhi, where they were joined by the Delhi regiment. The rebel sepoys from Meerut arrived at the gates of Red Fort early in the morning on 11th May. It was a Ramzan day and the old Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar had just finished his prayers and meals. He heard the sepoys raising slogans, "Victory to Bahadur Shah, victory to Bahadur Shah," with great zeal. They had gathered under his window. They told Bahadur Shah, "We have come from Meerut after killing all the Englishmen there." Another group of sepoys also entered Delhi. The ordinary people also joined them. The local infantry joined them and killed their European officers and occupied the city. The rebellious soldiers proclaimed Bahadur Shah as the emperor. उन्होंने घोषणा कर दी बहादुर शाह को इंडिया का emperor बनाने की. Now students, next point is the spread of rebellion. ये जो rebellion था ये कैसे फैला पूरे इंडिया में. Because in those days it took time for news to spread because no mobile or any other sources were there to convey the messages. So the revolt soon spread to other parts of the country with people of towns and villages rallying around local leaders who were ready to fight the British. The large part of North India was affected by the revolt. Meerut, Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi, Bareilly, Gwalior, Faizabad and Ara were the main centers. Some important leaders were Bhagat Khan, Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope, Azimullah Khan, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Maulvi Ahmadullah Shah, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Khan Bahadur Khan, and Kunwar Singh. Students, these are the main important centers of 1857 revolt. Just look at this map in your book also and go through it. Students, by mid 1857, it appeared that the rule of the company was over, at least in North India. But the company was not in a mood to accept defeat. अपनी हार मानने को तैयार नहीं थी कंपनी अभी भी, and decided to suppress the revolt. और उसने decide किया इस revolt को दबाने का with all its might. Okay, the rebels जो क्रांतिकारी थे looted the government treasury, set ablaze British military barracks, and released prisoners from jails. After the initial shock, the British reacted by getting extra reinforcement from Britain, taking control over transport and communication, thereby cutting off the supplies and information on the movement of the rebels, passing new laws which made it possible for them to punish the rebels easily. The British used utmost brutality to suppress this revolt. They burned down villages and resorted to public hangings or blowing people by tying them to mouth of cannons. जो cannons थी उनके मुंह पर लोगों को बांध दिया जाता था और उड़ा दिया जाता था. Students, Delhi was recaptured by the British in September 1857 and Bahadur Shah was exiled to Rangoon, now in Myanmar. In 1858, Rani Lakshmi Bai was defeated and killed. The British succeeded in breaking the unity of the people of Uttar Pradesh by promising to return the property of the big landholders. Loyal landholders were rewarded while others were punished. Students, some important changes were introduced after the revolt to prevent the occurrence of another such revolt. The revolt marked an end to the rule of the East India Company and the administration was taken over by Queen Victoria in 1858. The Governor General was given the title of Viceroy. The Secretary of State was appointed who replaced the board of directors. Army was reorganized. Queen Victoria's proclamation was passed. Proclamation means, students, announcement. She passed the proclamation in 1858. According to this proclamation, the Indian princes were given assurance that no further annexation will be made by British. Queen also promised that there will be no interference in the social and religious practices of people. A general pardon was given to all rebels, even those who killed British people. The revolt brought people closer and aroused the patriotic feelings among Indians. The British began to follow the policy of divide and rule. Thus, the revolt of 1857, which was a memorable turning point in the history of India, left its mark. Even though it was not successful, it brought people closer and paved the way for nationalism. Students, here we have completed chapter 6, the revolt of 1857. I think you all have understood this chapter. I request you all to just read this chapter very carefully and go through this mind map once. Till then, take care. Goodbye.